16th question. Name the bank that has recently, in June 23, launched World Elite Metal Debit Card for the uber-affluent Indian. Options are A. CSB Bank India, B. HSBC Bank India, C. DBS Bank India, D. Standard Chartered Bank India, E. SBM Bank India. Time starts now. And the answer is E. SBM Bank India. Next question. In June 2023, United Arab Emirates, UAE, became India's largest investor in the fiscal year 2022-23. Options are A. 2nd, B. 4th, C. 6th, D. 5th, E. 3rd. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 4th. Next question. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the French Open 2023 held at Paris in June 2023? A. Novak Djokovic, Serbia, won his 23rd Grand Slam title, men's singles category, by defeating Casper Ruud, Norway, in the French Open 2023, also known as 2023 Roland Garros. B. With this win, Novak Djokovic became the most successful male tennis player with the most major singles trophies in the history of men's tennis by surpassing Roger Federer's record 21st Grand Slam title. C. Iga Swiatek, Poland, won the women's singles title at the French Open 2023 by defeating Karolina Muchova, Czech Republic, and claimed her third French Open title and fourth Grand Slam title. Options are A. Only A, B. Only A and B, C. Only B and C, D. Only A and C, E. All A, B and C. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Only A and C. Next question. Name the Indian long jumper who has recently in June 23 secured third place by jumping 8.09 meter in long jump men's event at the Paris Diamond League 2023. Options are A. Jaswin Alrin, B. Sandeep Singh Man, C. Murli Shankar, D. Baldev Singh, E. Virasa Singh. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Murli Shankar. Next question. What was the theme of United Nations (UN) World Day Against Child Labour 2023 that was observed across the world on 12th of June 2023? Options are A. Children shouldn't work in fields, but on dreams. B. COVID-19, protect children from child labour now. C. Universal social protection to end child labor. D. Stop the unconditional worst forms of child labor. E. Social justice for all. End child labor. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Social justice for all. End child labor. Next question. The 12th iteration of the bilateral joint military exercise Ekveer between the Indian Army and the country National Defence Force was commenced at Chaubatia, Uttarakhand in June 2023. Options are A. Bangladesh, B. Maldives, C. Sri Lanka, D. Indonesia. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Maldives. Next question. Name the bank that has recently, in June 23, launched the My Account My Name scheme for Savings Bank SB account customers for the first time. Options are A. Axis Bank, B. ICICI Bank, C. Indian Overseas Bank, D. HDFC Bank, E. State Bank of India. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Indian Overseas Bank. Next question. Name the digital credit platform that has recently, in June 23, partnered with the National Payments Corporation of India and PCI to integrate Unified Payments Interface UPI plugin. Options are A. Ring, B. M-Pocket, C. Rupee Ready, D. Zest Money, E. Nida. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Ring. Next question. In the 2023 edition of the Global 2000 list of public companies published by Forbes in June 2023, Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, climbed 8 spots and ranked Dash in the list, while Dash is ranked first in the list for the first time since 2011. Options are A. 45th, BMW Group, B. 55th, Saudi Aramco, C. 45th, JP Morgan, D. 32nd, Saudi Aramco, E. 55th, JP Morgan. Time starts now. And the answer is C. 45th, JP Morgan. Next question. Name the Indian cricketer who has been recently, in June 23, appointed as the brand ambassador of Exeter by Hyundai Motor India Limited, HMIL. Options are A. Shubman Gill, B. Rohit Sharma, C. Virat Kohli, D. Hardik Pandya, E. Rishabh Pant. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Hardik Pandya. Next question. Name the Indian naval ship, INS, that has recently, in June 23, participated in the 4th edition of Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo, MNEK 2023, held in Indonesia. Options are A. INS Shivalik, B. INS Vikramaditya, C. INS Vikrant, D. INS Satpura, E. INS Trikand. Time starts now. And the answer is D. INS Satpura. Next question. Name the institute/university that has recently, in June 23, received accreditation as Ati Uttam from National Accreditation Board of Education and Training, NABET, for its outstanding earth science training. Options are A. CSIR National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, B. Geological Survey of India Training Institute, C. Shri Ram Institute for Environmental Research, D. Savitribai Phule Pune University, E. Gujarat Environment Management Institute. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Geological Survey of India Training Institute. Next question. Who has been recently, in March 23, honored with the title of the Governor of the Year for 2023 at the Central Banking Awards 2023? Options are A. Pierre Wunsch, Chile, B. Mark Carney, England, C. Margarita Delgado, Spain, D. Dimitar Radev, Mexico, E. Shaktikanta Das, India. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Shaktikanta Das, India. Next question. Which of the following warships of Indian naval ship, INS, have launched by the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, GRSC, at the shipbuilding facility of Larsen and Toubro, L&T, in Chennai, Tamil Nadu? Options are A. INS Arnala, B. INS Sanshodhak, C. INS Anjandeep, D. both 1 and 2, E. both 2 and 3. Time starts now. And the answer is E. both 2 and 3. Next question. Which state government has recently, in June 23, inaugurated the Mukhyamantri Ladli Behna Yojana by depositing an amount of 1,000 rupees each in the accounts of 1.25 crore women? Options are A. Odisha, B. West Bengal, C. Gujarat, D. Madhya Pradesh, E. Arunachal Pradesh. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Madhya Pradesh.